Welcome to Dodao.dev, the very first decentralized and permissionless marketplace for tech talents and art creators. Let's explore our dApp and show you how Dodao works and how you can create and apply to tasks. First, open Dodao.dev and click on Connect your wallet. Select MetaMask and follow the MetaMask instructions. If you don't have a MetaMask account yet, simply go to MetaMask.io and create your wallet. Here we are. This is your dashboard with all relevant information. Your wallet shows the amount of tokens you have and the NFTs you have minted. NFTs will be important at later stages for showcasing your skills, project status and more. Now we need to click the purple pencil icon right on the bottom. Simply fill out the task title, the description and select some NFTs if needed. Now choose the value of Dodao tokens and share your GitHub repository link if you have one and wish to. Click on Submit and follow the MetaMask instructions. Once the transaction is confirmed, you can access your customer area to see task updates, such as the number of applications received. Currently, you have no applicants. Now, let's see how performers can apply and participate to your task. Once you've created your task, performers are able to see it in the task marketplace. The performer clicks on the task they want to apply for. Then they can explain to the customer why they are the best fit for the task. After that is done, the performer presses Participate, followed the MetaMask instruction and voila, the application is submitted. The task is not visible in the task marketplace for the performer anymore, but in the performer dashboard under Applied. Once one or more performers have applied, the customer can see it in the customer dashboard. Red cycles on the right side displays the number of applicants. Wow, we already have 2 applicants. Now just click on the purple symbol next to the participant info. By clicking on each contractor, you can view on-chain profile insights. Our first applicant already has 1 rating, which is really cool. The other one has no rating so far, but let's choose this one. Let's click on Participate, follow the MetaMask instructions and wait for our transaction to be minted into the blockchain. Now the task in the customer dashboard has moved from selection to progress with the status agreed. Of course, customer and performers can chat through any app they want, like Telegram, WhatsApp, Discord and so on, but Dodao.dev already has an integrated on-chain chat function that allows you, for example, to save relevant information through an on-chain chat transaction with Dodao.dev. Just write your message, send it and confirm the transaction. It's super fast. You have to try it out. Let's switch back to the performer screen. The task we applied to is no longer in applied, but in working, because the customer already chose me. The performer can write an instant message on-chain through the chat as well. Now let's start the task and follow again the MetaMask instructions. The task status went from agreed to progress, and not only in the performer dashboard. Here we are back on the customer dashboard, and as you can see, the task status changed as well to progress, so the customer is confirmed that the performer started the work. After the performer is done with the work, it is time to submit it to the customer to review. Click the review button, follow the MetaMask instructions and wait for the customer's confirmation. For the customer, the task status changed to review. Click on the task to open it, write a final message if needed and leave your 1 to 5-star rating and a written comment if you want. Now click Sign Review and Rate, confirm the transaction and yay, nothing else to do for the customer. Last but not least, the performer sees the task switching from progress to completed and can leave a review as well and of course can withdraw the earnings. Quick view on the dashboard. Yes, withdrawal was successful and the Dodao tokens have increased. Now it's your turn to test Dodao.dev and looking for tasks and opportunities. Show the world your skills on the very first decentralized and permissionless task marketplace, Dodao.dev.